Hi everybody, it's Mindy, and I have some fun things to show you. This is from Everydayecrafts. Thank you, Everydayecrafts. You've started me on a new collection. So let me show you what I have. All right. I decided I loved these. One of my subscribers showed a kitchen stand. Like, she had a little stand up in her kitchen, and she had one of these on it in a frame, and it was so cute. I fell in love with it, and I loved what she did. I mean, she didn't do all of the white around the edge, so it fit into a 12 by 12 frame, and she had it on a little easel type stand. Super cute. And I thought, I want those. I want those. So I found these at Everydayecrafts, and I've started my collection. I started with May. Why? Well, because I ordered it in May. That's why. So, and this one was really cute. Look at how cute it is. This mug. I don't know, it looks like hot chocolate to me, like those are marshmallows, and it just says May, and it says flowers. I love this. So again, I would not diamond paint all of this border all the way around, just enough so that it fits in that 12 by 12 frame, and cut the rest off. I think it's adorable, right? It's got 20 colors. The mug is just covered with flowers. They're called dessert mugs. I hunted and hunted. After I found this one, I hunted on a couple other sites to find some more. And I was like, some places are called one thing, but these were called dessert mugs. Do you want to see up close and see the drill field? I'll show you the drill field, and then we'll zoom out and we'll show you the, sure I will. Come on. Oh, it zoomed for me. Okay, there we go. There we go. Very nice, right? Very, very nice. I like it. All right, let me show you. I don't know if I'm going to open all of these because, I mean, it's a lot to look at, but we have our cream colors, some brown, the teal color, another teal, a pink, then we have this blue. Blue, I don't know where that goes. Then we have some more of the cream, some purples and pinks, some magenta, more pinky purple, blues, a little bit of bluish gray. I like it. I really like it. I can hardly wait to do one of these. They're 40 by 40. So that's going to be probably like a 35 by 35, but let's see. And in inches, let's see, let's just do this for fun. We'll just do this. In inches, like I said, if it fits in a 12 by 12 frame, is what she had. Look, it goes from like here to here. Can you see that? It just gets around like this little picot edge here, and enough white to fit in the frame. I love it. I really like them. They're super cute. I can hardly wait to do some of these. So, like I said, I started with May. So what comes next? My birthday month. Yeah, my month is June. I did save a toolkit to show you all a toolkit. So June is my birthday. And look at this one. Look at that. It's all rainbow colors. And it says June. And over here it says summer. Love it. And then look at this mug. Isn't that cute? There's like clouds. Super cute. I love the straw. They're so cute, right? I love them. All right, this one has 20 colors as well. It has your DMC codes and everything on both sides for you. Love it. All right. Let's look at this one, because this one's a little more. We'll just look at some of the drills just to see what they look like. What month would you get? January, it was really pretty. There's so many of them I liked. October for Halloween, that one was cute. So look at this bright green we get. Some blues, some pinks. What do you call that color? I don't know what we call that color. Let's flip them over. More greens, sage, orange, red, moss. Call that moss. And then some more like mulberry colors. Pretty, right? Pretty, pretty, pretty. I like it. Okay. All right. I got one more, and I bet you can guess what it is. May, June, boo-da-doom, July. This one's super cute. This one has more words on it than the other two. We have our July down here, and it says USA in this corner, and then it says land that I love. There we go. Maybe I could get this one done for July. What do you think? And then look at how cute that mug is. It's all red, white, and blue, and we have stars. We have some stripes. Isn't that just adorable? I love these. I can hardly wait to get at least one done and get a frame and a little stand for it. And yeah. So this one, I mean, it's all red, whites, and blues, you know. No need to open up the drills, seriously. Reds, there's a little gray, but red, white, and blue of all different shades, right? Super cute. So, like I said, which one would you get? It's already halfway through June as I'm recording this. I don't think I can get the June one finished, but it'd be easy to do though. Lots of multi-placing, right? All the white background is multi-placed. This is. So they'd be pretty easy and quick to do, I think. So, I don't know. Anyhow, let me know which one you like and which one you would like to see. I may have a couple more coming. We shall see. Like I said, you know I won't stop till I have them all, right? Okay. Thanks for watching, everybody. And hope you enjoyed. And if you're new here, hey, welcome. And I hope you come back. I hope this was enjoyable and you would like to come see some more. Okay? I will talk to everybody soon. Have a great day. And let me know which one you would like. All right? Talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.